Changing your IP address every 5 seconds. Sounds cool, huh? Most of videos on YouTube telling you how to change your IP address every 5 seconds. But what they don't tell you, it's a terrible idea. Websites block you, your connection lags, and the anonymity takes a hit. Stay smart, not reckless. This video I will show you how to install and run Tor connection without taking this risk because you don't need it. You just type a 3 words most likely and you will just change your IP address. The first command is sudo apt install python 3-pip. This library, you must install it first before doing anything, and as it appears, I installed it before and it is already the newest version. So the second command, sudo apt install Tor. Also, I installed it before, that's why you see that I have the newest version again. The third command, you need to check the activity and the installation is running well. Type sudo systemctl status Tor and hit enter. This will show you if you are running and installed Tor connection successfully and activated. It must be as you look at the screen. Also, to exit from this and go back to terminal, click on Q letter from your keyboard and you will just get back to terminal. Now let's check the IP address and refresh the page. And this is not my IP address and this is not my location. Now it's time to change your IP address every time you need, not automatically, it's manually. You will type just 4 words sudo systemctl restart Tor and type your password, hit enter, go to your browser and you will see your IP address and the location changed successfully without taking any risk or making other websites blocking you for changing your IP address every 5 seconds. But let's double check and type the same command to make sure everything is works fine and your IP address it changes manually using the same command. So you're gonna type sudo systemctl restart Tor, hit enter, go back to your browser, refresh your browser, and you will see your IP address it changed again. But the most important step to make this connection successfully without having any issue that to change your proxy manually and the port will add to your connection. From the top menu, click on settings, scroll down until the end and click on network settings. Change the position from no proxy to manual proxy configuration. Simply type in host 127.0.0.1 and in the port type 9050 and hit OK. Now, when you go to this website, which is https://checktorproject.org, it must telling you and showing you the same welcome message, which is congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor. If you faced any issue with changing your IP address, just copy the error from the terminal and type it in a comment, and I will try my best to fix this issue. I hope you find this video was useful and see you next video.